Guys, welcome back to my videos, and in today's video we are going to create simple summarization app for YouTube videos. And in this video we are going to create simple front end in TypePy framework in pure Python, where we are going to take a YouTube link from the user and we are going to display a simple summary, text summary for that video on same web page. Okay, this is a very simple video and it shouldn't take it shouldn't take long. And for that we are going to use, as I have mentioned, TypePy framework, which we are going to use to create web app in Python. Then we are going to use this YouTube transcript API, which we are going to use to download the transcript of YouTube. Then we are going to use this PyTube. This PyTube library is optional, where we are going to just convert. We are going to get video ID from the link. This actually you can do it through your program also, or from URI library. So this is optional. And the rest of the libraries, the torch, TensorFlow, transformers, datasets, these are libraries which are required to perform the main summarization of the YouTube video. So, and this deep multilingual punctuation, this library is used to add punctuations to the transcripts that we are going to download from YouTube. So here is the flow. So first of all, we are going to create a front end. User is going to enter YouTube URL and he's going to click on the button submit. Let's say submit. And after that, we are going to extract the video ID of that YouTube video. This ID is I'm going to show you how it looks like. Then from this ID, we are going to download transcripts of that YouTube video, and in those transcripts we are going to get text, and we are going to perform some improvisation using this deep multilingual punctuation library. We are going to make some, we are trying to improvise the transcript, and we are trying to form a proper sentence out of it. And then we are going to use pre-trained model from Hugging Face, and that model we are going to use will perform summarization. So let's get started. So first of all, let's create a file. So this, I have installed all these libraries dependencies. So I'm going to create new file, Python file, summary. All right. Then what we are going to do is, first of all, let's create a simple. So let's create simple front end, and then we'll add rest of the things. So from TypePy, let's import TypePy as TP. So we need get state ID and invoke callback. So since it is a time consuming operation, we are going to do it in a background thread. So that's why I have already imported this invoke callback. So let's move ahead and try to create a simple page. So in page, we create, enter YouTube URL, and we are going to let's have input URL variable here. Let's keep it blank, and this is going to be input type. So this, we created input, then we create submit button, or maybe I can name it as summer price, and then last part is summary, and here we have variable part text. Done. So summary equal to, okay, done. So this way we have our GUI ready. Let's create tp dot GUI page equal to page, and we are going to run it like this. So I have created this object because we are going to need this GUI object when we are using a background thread to perform the task, that is summarization. So this is our GUI. This GUI should look like this. Let me run this. Summarize. Okay. So summary is written twice. Let's fix this. Okay. So it should be like a variable. Yeah. Yeah, I need to stop and return. Okay, so summary is here. Let me simply add here. Okay, so now what we need is, let's create action. I am going to create action on action, which, so we are going to create handler. So for action handler, we have set type state ID, and inside that, let's create thread equal to thread. So let's import threading. Okay, so there is one task that we are going to perform, and that is summarize task, right? Which is going to run in a background. So this task basically is going to be my target to perform. Okay, let let me think about the parameter. Well, before that, let's, yeah, start the thread. Okay, so now in summarize task we need, the one is state ID, which is str, and another is url. Okay, so let me pass these both of these variable I need to pass here. So arguments equal to, so first is, let's get state ID using this state object. Okay, so for a while I'm going to keep it as a pass. And second parameter that we need is state dot input url. Okay, so this variable we need to pass, and that's it. So this will start the thread. Now once we perform this action and we get the summary, we need one update function which will update our summary. So we will get that information from the backend, that is this thread, and we need to update UI. So for that, let's create a simple function, and here state dot summary equal to summary. That's it. Yeah. So now this function we need to call from here, something like that. Invoke callback. We have GUI, we have state ID as input, then we have update function, and now we need, we are at a position to write our business logic. So let's assume this is blank right now. Now we'll pull our model, and for that, the first thing that we need is to extract video ID. Let me take variable video ID, and we have to extract. So for that, let's use from pytube import extract, and using this extract function, I can actually get the video ID. I'll pass URL. Yes. So once I have this video ID, I need transcripts, and for that, again, I need from YouTube. So it's a small YouTube import transcript API. Okay. So from YouTube transcript API, I'm going to call get transcript, and I'm going to pass this video ID as this. Yeah. So now we have transcripts. Now I'm going to iterate over these transcripts, and I am, so we are now cleaning up the data, finish. So let me add a command. So first extract video ID from URL. The next step we did is download. We need this video ID for this next step, where we download transcript from YouTube video. The next part is thoda improvise the data. Okay, improvise data, and here current line equal to transcript. So here we are only interested in text part of the transcript. Okay, and if this current line has music, or let's say applause, then we should not take it. Okay, text dot append. Okay, we need to take this text here, text equal to, yeah, text equal to, yeah. So here we are appending current line. So now I have current line text data ready. Let's create. So same part, what we need, we are going to add punctuation. So here we are going to use one more library, that is deep multilingual. We import punctuation model. Okay, this is again a model available on Hugging Face. So this model we are going to use is we are going to restore punctuation, and for that I'm going to use join function. So since it's an array, I'm going to pass text, and so I have punctuated output. Now the last part that is very important, summarization. So we now actually create a model. So let's create pipeline. Let's import pipeline. So for that we, yeah, so from transformers import pipeline. This pipeline we pass parameter as summarization. Then we have model equal to Facebook slash but large CNN. This is the model. It's a not underscore. It's a hyphen. Okay. So this is the library I'm using. Summary equal to summarizer. So here we are going to pass this output, punctuated output, as a first parameter. Then the next parameter is max length, that I'm passing as a 130. Then mean length equal to 30. Last parameter is do sample, that is false. Okay, and from this we zeroth index and summary text. This is what I'm interested. So we will extract summary text and we will pass this summary. That code we have already written. So let's run this. Let's see if we have any error. Yeah, server started. Let me so this is the one URL. So this URL is about Holi celebration and talks about Holi festival across India from beyond. Let me add this URL and let's understand what is, let's see if we can get summary. So I clicked on summarize, and so yeah, so there is a problem here. Regex, I think this regex is not matching. So either the input is the URL we are passing, state ID, summer input URL. Let me print URL here and try again whether we are getting the right URL or not. So there is a problem while passing the parameter. So the exception that we have regex is because I try to print this and it is printing blank. So it means somewhere when we are sending this parameter input URL, it is not setting value. And yeah, so here I found the problem. It should be inside curly brace so that it can write this input YouTube URL that user is entering into this variable. When we send this, when we call this invoke callback, we send parameter and it should be in array. So if you have multiple parameters, then you will add these parameters like this, second parameter. Okay. So right now we have only one parameter. So that's the reason summary parameter is coming as a blank. Okay. So I have added this print statement also just to make sure that it prints here and we'll get. Okay. So let's delete these both print statements and run this code again. So YouTube URL I have copy pasted. Let's click on summarize. Let's wait for some time. So you can see the summaries like Holi is one of the India's biggest festival. So you can get this summary. You can save your time by not watching bigger videos, and you can just extract summary and save your time. And in fact, you can this way you can extract information efficiently from multiple videos. Okay, so here you can improvise this by adding some loading indicator kind of thing, because this is a very time consuming operation which runs in a background. We are already doing it in a background thread, but to inform it to the user, you can use notification, something like that. But overall, this is the purpose of the video, to tell you like how you can use this library from transformer to summarize the data from YouTube video. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, so that my channel get more and more reach and more people will be able to watch this video. So thanks for watching.